Welcome back, nail crew. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm doing a POTTLE unboxing. I'm showing you guys all my new goodies from the POTTLE. And then, as promised, the POTTLE lamp giveaway, you guys. So good luck in advance. Before we get into that, let's give a hey, girl, hey. Listen, I was on Instagram. I was scrolling. I saw my nail crew hoodie, and I was flipping out. And I was like, oh my God. So, hey girl, hey Skittles, hey. All right, let's get into the video. So the first thing I'm showing you are these buffer replacements. So this is the buffer here with the little metal backing. And once the buffer part is used up, you peel it off, you discard it, and then you replace it. This is really cool because the metal part, the backing to it is so firm that you're really able to buff the nails and they're really smooth. So this one is almost used up. I do have 3 other ones. Let me grab them. Okay, here we go. So I do have 3 of them, but obviously they're going to be used up pretty soon. So I do have some replacements. Yeah. All right. Let's move on. So the next thing I want to show you guys, the hand files. I love a good crisp hand file. There is nothing like doing a set of nails and then pulling out a brand new, crisp, coarse hand file. It's nothing like it. That's the best feeling in the world. And you know your shape is going to be on point because the file is new, right? I love it. All right. Next, I want to show you guys the polish. So this is the top coat. I heard that the brush is supposed to be improved, so I'm trying to open it for you. It was really hard to open. All right. So the previous brush, you guys, I don't know if you remember, it's like a black brush and it was thin. This one looks very full and creamy. Let me see if I could grab the old bottle for you guys. Okay. So this is the old bottle. So the size looks the same. The package and everything else looks the same. I really hope the polish is the same formula. I really do. Do not change the polish formula. This is a really good, shiny top coat. But look at the brush. So if you guys notice, it's thinner, right? And I didn't really have a problem with the first brush. I really didn't. But this one is supposed to be better. So I'll show it to you guys again. And I do like it, you know, when it's a side-by-side comparison. But to be honest, the polish is so good that I really never paid attention to the brush. But I'll let you guys know how much I like the new wand and brush once I use it. All right, so the next thing I want to show you guys that I got is my plasma gel. I want to start doing more gel sets for you guys. So I am so glad that I got some more. And this is one of my favorites. This is one of my favorites. I love the little pouch that it comes in, you guys. That is just so cute. So this is where I keep my gel. And this little pot I also got from the POTTLE. So this is it. And when it runs empty, I just fill it, you know, with the plasma gel. I'll show you guys what I have left in here. See, not very much. And then there's little sprinkles. Like I got glitter in there. Oh, I hate when that happens. But yeah, and then I keep it in a white dish just so everything isn't sticky. But like I said, you just fill it up and you're ready to go. So I really love the convenience of that. I really do. And I like the recycling aspect of it. It's just very nice. All right, this is new. This is new from the POTTLE. Foils. She has transfer foils. I'm so excited about these foils, you guys. Foils make your life so much easier because it makes you look like an artist, you know? It really makes you look like you have a handle on nail art when you really don't, right? So it's a really good, easy cheat. So I'm so excited about these. I can't wait to use them. I can't wait to use them. These are so cute. So cute. Oh my God. All right. I'm so excited. All right. Moving on. We also got glitter. I sing when I see glitter. Like, and if my cousin was here, she would be singing shimmer and shine. So it runs in the family, people. It runs in the family. So let me know what you guys want to see me do first. In my next POTTLE video, what do you want to see me use first? The glitters, shimmer and shine, or the transfer foils? Let me know. Vote in the comment section below. And yeah, my next POTTLE video will be up to you guys. Moving on. So here we go. This is why you guys are here. I know you want to know about the giveaway. You want to know how to win my lamp. You want to know how to win my lamp. No. Okay, let me stop. This is a POTTLE lamp, and I really don't have to tell you about it because I use it in every single video. So you guys have seen it. You know all about it. You probably know more about it than I do. So anyway, with that being said, I'm having a giveaway. Hey. If you're not singing with me, you cannot win, so do not enter. If you're not singing, don't enter. For everybody else, good luck. All right, so the lamp is going to come with an instruction booklet, but like I said, I use this in every video. You guys know how to use it by now. And I love the little cord and the bag and it's just so posh. I just feel so fancy. So I have one in black and then I have one in white, and they're the exact same thing. I actually also have one in white and one in black for my personal stash. So you guys out there will have the same. And yeah, they're exactly the same. It's just a preference of color. And what I like, you guys, I didn't notice this before, but the black one comes with a black cord and the white one comes with a white cord. She wasn't cheap and gave both kits the white cord or both kits the black cord, because that would have been kind of ocky, you know? Yes, shout out to you. That was very thoughtful. That was a very thoughtful gesture. I appreciate that. All right, let me go ahead and pack her up for you guys. Let me pack up your ovens so y'all could be at home singing bake, bake, bake. And then I also have one as well. So thank you, you guys. Shout out to the POTTLE. Shout out to the POTTLE. Shout out to the POTTLE. She donated these lamps for you guys because she knows how much I love them. She knows how much you guys love them. So this is the one I've been using. You guys have seen me use it all the time. So it's getting kind of dirty and nasty. I'm still going to use her. But when she's like really, really gross looking, then I'll pull out my new one. So I'm so excited. I got one and you got one. All right, so before I give you the rules to the giveaway, you know I like to stall you guys out. You know I like to create the suspense. So I need you guys to vote below. What color drill caddy should I get next? I want to do another giveaway. I'm trying to do as many giveaways this year as I can. And I want to do another one. So vote on the color. Clear, pink, or black, okay? And potentially it could be yours, potentially. All right, so let's get into the rules of this giveaway. First of all, you guys, you have to like this video. Come on, you already know all my giveaway rules are practically the same. You have to like my video. Then you have to subscribe. If you're not a subscriber, what the heck? No, you're not going to win. Okay, you're not going to win. Okay, so you have to like, you have to subscribe, and please hit the bell. It is so lame when I call the winner and he or she does not watch the video and then I have to try to find him or her. That is so lame, and I'm not doing that, okay? So if I call your name, you have 3 days to respond to me and let me know, yay, it's me, bop, 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 and then I'll send you your prize. If you don't let me know that you're the winner, then I'm just going to post somebody else. So you have to like, you have to subscribe, you have to hit the notification bell, and then I need you to comment #NailedByNikki4, because this is going to be my 4th giveaway this year. And the cool thing is you guys can enter as many times as you want. Okay, so just enter #NailedByNikki4 on every single video you watch of mine, whether it's old or new. And then, yeah, the computer is just going to look for that hashtag and then boom. Good luck to you. Good luck to you. All right, y'all, that is a wrap. Thanks for rocking with me until the end. I'll see you next time. Bye.